once you've cut out the part that told you to print, you're going to put that on a mat and insert it into your Cricut, and it will read those lines around it and just cut out the boxes. You could always hand cut them too. And then the next one I'm going to use is the foil acetate, and I'm using this one by Cricut. And I'm going to load a piece on my mat and just use the roller to get it stuck real well. And the Cricut's going to prompt me to enter my scoring wheel as 0, 1 in my maker. So I'm going to take out my fine point blade and insert the scoring wheel, and then insert my mat and let it score what it needs to score, and then it will stop again and start blinking. And Design Space prompts me to exchange that back with my Cricut fine point blade. So I'm going to put that back in, click the go button again, and let it cut out. Once that's all done, I'm going to insert my next one. This one prompts me to insert a pen to write on it. So I'm going to insert my cardstock and let it write and then cut out. Okay, so now everything is cut and drawn on here. So I'm just gonna remove the extra cardstock. Okay, so I'm just gonna put together the front side. So this is one that I already made. It has the New Year wishes and midnight kisses on the side with the bow on the top. So I'm just going to use a little tape glider to glue this together, and then the bow. Just going to fold over these, a top and a bottom piece there, so it fits in the middle. And I'm just going to put some tape along the back side, tape that one down, and tape that one down, and then I'm just going to fold these over and have them push glue right there. So you can see the 2020 right there. And then this is just going to go right on top of that. So again, I'm going to glue a little bit more. And just press that down right in the center. So there you have just a little bow. Okay, so now for the acetate. So this is how it cuts out, and there's actually a thin sheet on the back of it. So when you go to pull it off, you'll notice that the sheet is there. So you can either pull it all off first and then pull the sheet, or just pull this from the back of the sheet. And then here's the other piece to it. Okay, so you'll see that that plastic sheet's just on there. Okay, so now we have these two pieces, and I'm going to go and actually fold in all of the score lines first. The score lines, and I'm just going to fold those in. On all the parts of it. Okay. And then those two actually have just a little piece that come out. I'll do the same thing with this side. So now we need to put these two together. So these little tabs are actually gonna glue down on here. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little of the glue on all of these tabs. So I'm gonna put them on the bottom of this one first. And push it right on the edge here. And then these ones, I'm going to put it on the inside because when this folds up, it's going to glue down on the inside there. I'm going to put some there. And then some there. Okay, so then when I fold it in, I'm going to actually fold this part down on that. Okay, and the same thing on the other side. This one goes inside. And I'm just gonna fold that right down on top of that. Okay, so there. So there is the box. So then I'm gonna put some of my pieces in the box, and then to shut it, these are just going to go over that one, and then you're going to put the second one over it so it holds it together like that. So then I'm going to glue this just on the front side, and you can make two of them and put them one on each side if you want. Right on there, and then this bow, and put glue on that, and I'm going to glue it right on that top thing there. So there it is, and you can see those cool pretty sparkles of the foil acetate there, and there you have cute little favors to give for New Year's, or you can use this box really for any party, anything you want.